because Goa is one state which has made very impressive strides in solid waste management, and I thought it only appropriate that this star rating protocol is launched from Goa rather than any other place. Star rating protocol, and I'm hoping that the Chief Minister is on record. He told us, and I have no doubt whatsoever, Goa will be able to declare 100% ODF, open defecation free, by October this year, 2018.
फामिलीतली झगडी प्रॉपर्टीचे वाद असल्या कारणाक लागून सुमार 409 घरांक नळाची कनेक्शनां मेळिल्ली ना.
In many respects, Goa is doing very well. For instance, in the area of affordable housing, I think the gap which I was told is very low, 5,000 or so, and I was told earlier, even before the meeting, that after some technical issues are resolved, the state can well before 2019 you can declare full delivery on that scheme. Equally, the Amrit scheme, if I remember offhand, the utilization of funds, etc., is very good. The number of water taps still to be installed is only some small figure, like 409. Now, which again the Honorable Chief Minister said that may be due to some disputes in those particular things.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सुभाष खुटवळकार.